Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to be taking apart a light bulb. So I'm going to be using all these tools to destroy this light bulb. And I'm just going to show you what's inside of it. So let's get started. So I'm going to start just by poking through this plastic. So that's plastic. I want it to be glass. I just really want to destroy some glass. Okay. Okay guys, so once I cut all that up, I reviewed the inside. So now I'm gonna try and see if I can ruin this board.
Day 2.
There we go. Came out. Okay, so I'll set that aside. Okay. Here is the board. Here's the board. It's pretty small, nothing too exciting. But each of these yellow things, focus camera. Each of these yellow things are LEDs. Let's put that aside. I'm gonna see if I can pry this plastic out. Oh, I got that off. Oh, I destroyed the board though. So there's not a lot of things here I'm gonna expect from a light bulb. I'm gonna try and turn this on. Hey look guys, it turns on. What do you know? This is the light bulb I took apart. Right here. Get a close-up shot of it. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.